Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Replit for Roblox game development. While you cannot directly run the full Roblox game client within Replit, you can leverage Replit's powerful cloud-based environment to write and manage your Lua code for Roblox experiences. This approach is excellent for collaborative projects, allowing multiple developers to work on the same game scripts simultaneously. It helps streamline your development workflow, making it easier to create and iterate on your Roblox creations before testing them in Roblox Studio. To begin, you will need to set up your Replit workspace. First, navigate to Replit and create a brand new project, selecting the Lua language template. Give your project a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. If your Roblox game requires specific Lua libraries or modules, install them within your Replit environment. Finally, organize your files and folders logically to maintain a clean and efficient development setup, which is crucial for larger projects. Now, you can start writing your Roblox-compatible Lua code directly within Replit. Focus on developing your game's core logic, designing user interface elements, and defining character actions. Replit's code editor offers features like syntax highlighting and auto-completion, which can significantly boost your coding efficiency. Always ensure your scripts adhere to Roblox's specific scripting standards and API calls to guarantee seamless integration later. This step is where your game truly begins to take shape. Once your code is ready, the next step is to transfer it to Roblox Studio for testing. Simply copy your completed Lua scripts from your Replit project. Then, paste this code into the appropriate script objects within Roblox Studio. Thoroughly test your game within the Roblox Studio environment to identify any bugs or areas for improvement. You can then return to Replit to make necessary adjustments and repeat the testing process, creating a smooth development and iteration cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.